Whenever dinner feels exhausting, takeout was our go-to. Until these meatball subs made staying in way too easy. Toasted bread, saucy meatballs, melty cheese. They have everything we want from takeout without leaving the house. So let's get started. Now it's time to get down to business with the ground beef. Let's hit it with some flavor. Garlic salt, seasoning salt, smoked paprika, and a little Tony's Creole seasoning. This combo brings these meatballs to life. Get in there and mix it all together so every bite is loaded with flavor. Now let's build even more flavor with a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce and a splash of Dale's marinade. A few breadcrumbs and an egg, and we're ready to roll these into meatballs. Get those meatballs into the oven, and while they do their thing, let's move on to the next layer of flavor. Now let's build the sauce with 2 cans of diced tomatoes and a handful of carrots to cut some of that acidity. A little more garlic salt and seasoning salt, then let all those flavors come together. Once everything softens up, I'll blend it into a rich velvety sauce with my immersion blender. I've got the one I used linked below if you need one. Now for the good part. Let's build these subs. Meatballs, melty mozzarella, then a sprinkle of Parmesan to finish it off. What I love about this recipe is how flexible it is. You can make the meatballs ahead of time and freeze them for an easy dinner later, or keep things super simple with frozen meatballs and store-bought sauce. Either way, you're getting one of those dinners that everybody looks forward to. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to like and subscribe. And I'll be right here when you need your next dinner win.